My name is Carl Johnson. I'm a welding instructor at Southwest Tech. For high school students who are looking to take an intro to welding course and explore what else is out there and what their options might be, we have a course that's 1 semester long. They come in, they learn the safety of it, so they're not just out there hoping they don't get hurt. We actually make certain they're protected and well. They're going to live through it, and they're going to smile too, hopefully. They're going to start out with shielded metal arc welding, what everybody calls stick. It's been around for a long time, and it's not going away anytime soon. It's one of those jobs that'll always be there. It's where they'll learn how to build buildings, how to build bridges, and how to build infrastructure that we see all around us. From there, they'll learn how to run an Oxy Fuel Torch, or oxyacetylene, as some people call it. Basically, they're going to cut metal with fire. They're going to get still up to 6,000 degrees, introduce a lot of oxygen, and literally burn right through it. Once they're done with that, they'll move into what's called gas metal arc welding, or everybody else calls it MIG. That's where they'll take an electric arc that is 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, the same temperature as the surface of the sun, and basically remodel the world around them as they take steel, put it together, melting it down, and letting it cool into whatever new shape they've come up with. From there, they're given an option. We introduce them to the possibility of taking an advanced welding course, where they'll come over during a 4th or 5th period of the day and work right alongside adult students who are working on a full-time schedule, doing the same curriculum and working towards the same goals of being awesome and making a lot of money one day.